Regalia. It's easy when you know how. This is two who's going to show you how it's done. First, put on your gown. There are a few different gowns depending on your qualification. However, they're pretty much worn the same way. Arms and the sleeves and you're done. Next is the hood or the stole. Different qualifications have different colours, so make sure you've got the right one. If you're wearing a stole, place it around your neck with the rounded back piece placed over your shoulders and tails hanging evenly. If you're wearing a hood, it should hang over your back and be level with the top of your shoulders with the coloured lining facing outwards. Make sure it sits square on your shoulders. Ask someone to help you adjust your hood at the back if you need to. If your hood feels uncomfortable around your neck, you can pin it to your gown. We welcome all cultural ceremonial garments to be worn with pride. For korowai, wear this over your gown with the cape on top.
Pride cords can also be picked up from the rainbow team.
Something else to consider is where to pop that mobile. If you've got pockets, that's easy. Otherwise, you might want to consider a small discreet bag to hide under your gown, as you won't be able to take things in with you. Finally, that trencher. Find the shorter peak. This is worn to the front with the tassel over your left eye. But if you haven't graduated before, wait until after you've received your parchment to put it on. And that's it, champion. Karawe, you're done. See you looking good at graduation.